Ferdiad, the tragic warrior of Celtic legend. Step into the world of ancient Celtic mythology and test your knowledge of Ferdiad, the fated warrior of the Taimbo Cualnge. Who was Ferdiad's closest companion before their fateful duel? Ferdiad was a warrior of which group? What legendary weapon did Ferdiad wield? Who compelled Ferdiad to fight his closest friend? Which river became Ferdiad's final battlefield? What fighting style did Ferdiad and his opponent share? Which legendary female warrior trained Ferdiad? Ferdiad is best known for his role in which epic? What reward was promised to Ferdiad for fighting? What was Ferdiad's primary form of protection? Which god is associated with Ferdiad's warrior code? Ferdiad's name is thought to mean what? What ultimately led to Ferdiad's defeat? What did Cuchulainn do after killing Ferdiad? Which province did Ferdiad fight for? What role did Ferdiad serve in Meb's army? Which legendary figure lamented the tragedy of the duel? Ferdiad's story is one of loyalty, tragedy, and fate. How did you do in unraveling his legendary tale? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more mythological stories and quizzes from Broken Sword Gaming.